Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to apply auto dimensioning in 2D drawings of SolidWorks and how to change the color of dimensioning lines and how to change the color of text in SolidWorks. We have this part. We will create 2D drawing of this part. Select File, Make Drawing from Part. Select Sheet Format, A3 ISO. OK. Now select Front View, Right Side View, Bottom View. OK. Again select View. Select Isometric View. OK. Now select this view, front view, import option, select import annotation, select design annotation. OK. Now select this view, select import annotations, design annotations. OK. Here are some dual dimensioning. Delete this. Now arrange these dimensions. Same here. You can also apply some dimensions by annotation, smart dimension, distance from here to here, 25 mm. OK. Distance from here to here, 50 mm. OK. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, this distance 70 mm. OK. Right click, select option. For changing the color of these lines, select option, select color. Here is an option, dimensions imported. You can change the color of from here. I select red color. OK. Non-important dimensions, select the color. I select green color. OK. OK. See here the dimensions which are noted are red and the dimensions which we specify are green. These dimensions are very light in color, so change its color. Options, color, select non-important dimensions, edit color, select blue color. OK. Now we will add some note. All dimensions are in mm. Now select this all text. From here you can change the color of this text. I select this color. OK. See here the color of the text is changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.